In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to text in GoDaddy Website Builder in 2025. Whether you're looking to make your website more interactive or want to guide visitors to another page, linking text is a simple yet powerful tool. Let's jump right in and show you exactly how to do that. First, you need to start by heading over to the GoDaddy website. Simply open your preferred internet browser and type in godaddy.com. Now, once the site has loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. If you already have an account, just input your credentials. If not, you might need to take a moment to create an account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the account overview page. This is where you need to locate and click on website under the products section. This will take you to a list of the websites you own or are currently managing. Next, choose the website you want to edit and click on Edit Website. This will open the website editor, which is a powerful tool that allows you to customize and manage the content on your pages. Within the editor, navigate to the specific page where you'd like your hyperlink to appear. Whether it's the home page or any other page, just navigate through your site structure until you find it. With the page open, find the text element you wish to turn into a hyperlink. It could be a button, an image, or a simple piece of text. Click on the item and a set of options should appear. Look for the option that allows you to edit the link settings, often depicted by a chain link icon or labeled as link. Next, decide what type of link you want to create. You can link to another website URL, a different page on your site, or an email address. Once you decide, click on the website URL option to enter the destination URL. This step is crucial, so make sure you enter the correct address. After entering the link details, click on Done to save your changes. But we're not finished yet. It's always a good idea to test what you've just configured. Click on Preview in the GoDaddy editor to review the changes on your site. This is where you can click on your newly created hyperlink to ensure it directs to the correct page and performs as expected. Once you're satisfied with everything, it's time to publish your changes for the world to see. Click Publish and your updates will go live. Congratulations! You've successfully added a link to text on your GoDaddy website, enhancing your site's functionality and user engagement. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.